Ever wonder how beauty brands help users find the perfect hair color without overwhelming them with endless product choices? In this tutorial, we'll show you how L'Oreal uses a hair color finder quiz to personalize recommendations and keep users engaged. Here's how it works. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hair Color Quiz. It asks users a series of simple but highly personalized questions about their hair, style, and beauty preferences. For example, is your hair currently color treated? Does your hair have any other treatments or chemicals? Which swatch represents the shade of your hair? How much gray is in your hair? And within seconds, users receive personalized hair color recommendations tailored specifically to their features and preferences. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. Start by choosing a quiz template inside Outgrow, like this Discover Your Perfect Blonde Tone quiz. Once you're inside the editor, head straight to the Build tab. This is where you customize every question to match your beauty brand, salon, or product line. For example, you can add questions like, what's your natural hair color? What's your skin's undertone? What's your eye color? How would you describe your personal style? Want to target specific audiences like first-time color users, salon clients, or people looking for low-maintenance shades? Just click on any question and edit it instantly. Next, focus on the outcome screen. This is where the magic happens. This is where users receive their personalized hair color recommendation. For example, platinum blonde, golden blonde, honey blonde. Now, you can simply click on the question and map every option with the respective outcome. Repeat the same step for all the questions. To make everything feel fully on brand, head over to the Overall Design tab to change the logo, colors, and fonts. You can also add a lead generation form to collect name and email address. Once everything looks perfect, click on Go Live. You can share the quiz using a direct link or embed it directly onto your website. And that's how you turn a simple hair color quiz like L'Oreal's into a highly engaging, conversion-driven experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own beauty quiz? Start creating quizzes that don't just engage but truly connect with your audience.